When your order arrives, there are 3 different ways to load it into your stock, and each one serves a different kind of order. For a small order of 1 or 2 items, just open the item page and add the stock manually. When you're restocking items you planned through the restock list, whether they were used up or requested by your team, you'll use the restock process. And sometimes you make a big purchase, like around Christmas when the deals are good, and you order a whole list of items you never added one by one. For that, you can simply upload the supplier's invoice. Let's see all 3, starting with the quickest. A small order came in, 4 more Honda transponder keys for Marcus. Search for the item, open it, and click Change Stock. Van 1 already has 2, so we'll change it to 6, add a note, and save. That's it. For 1 or 2 items, this is all you need. Now the list we built in the last video. The delivery arrived, so we scroll down and click Restock Items. For every item, the process shows the name, the picture, how many we plan to order, and the note we left ourselves. Below that, all our locations with how many each one currently has. The plus button next to a location is how we load new stock into it. Before we start loading, 2 important fields. Quantity received is what actually arrived. If we planned 6 but only 4 arrived, we enter 4 and Lookeyz keeps the rest planned for the next order. And the unit price, it defaults to the price you already had, but you can update it based on what you actually paid so your prices stay accurate. Lookeyz averages your prices. Buy 5 at $6, then 5 at $5, and the item's price becomes $5.50. Now we load, following our own notes. First, the Camry fobs. The note says 2 for Marcus's van, save. The Ford remote note tells us exactly where it should go. 2 for each van. Marcus, Daniel, and Jason each get 2, save. The Sienna key, all 4 to the warehouse, save. The mailbox locks, 2 for Daniel, 5 for the store, save. Now the NI Zoa 4, and here's a real life situation. We ordered 10, but only 8 arrived, so we changed the quantity received to 8, split them 4 for Marcus and 4 for the store, and save. Lookeyz keeps the missing 2 on the list, waiting for the next order. The last 2 go quickly. The Odyssey key goes to Van 1, and the H75 keys fill the warehouse. And look at the list. Everything we received is gone, and the missing 2 are still planned. Nothing gets lost. The third way is for the big orders. You'll find Upload Invoice in the dashboard, and also here on the inventory page. You can upload the PDF or CSV your supplier sent you as an invoice. We'll choose our supplier's invoice and upload it. Lookeyz now reads the invoice and matches every line to the catalog. This can take a moment depending on the size of the invoice. Lookeyz doesn't support every invoice format yet, so if yours isn't recognized, send us 3 or 4 different invoices and we'll make sure Lookeyz can support it too. Here's the first item from the invoice. Sometimes Lookeyz finds an exact match, and sometimes it suggests the items it thinks fit best. At the top, you can see the name exactly as it appeared on the receipt, so it's easy to know what you're matching. More info shows everything about the item, the category, the chip, the buttons, and the FCC. And this one Lookeyz recognizes right away. It's already in our catalog with the SKU, the price, and the critical stock setup. So we just add the 2 received units to Daniel's van and save. Straight to the next line, the mailbox locks are new for our catalog, so this time we set the price, set critical stock to 1, and send both to the store. Choose it, and next. We move through the lines. And here, another exact match. When Lookeyz is certain, it tells you, and all that's left is to load the quantity. And sometimes the system can't find the item at all. When that happens, search manually. We'll type Y157 and narrow it down with the key blank product type filter. There it is, the Y157 mechanical metal key. But there's another way too. Clear the search, open search by, and look up the vehicle instead. A 2003 Dodge Caravan. Scroll down, and the same key is right there. We'll pick it, load it into Marcus's van, and choose it. We'd continue the same way through the rest of the invoice. And click Finish Restocking. 3 ways to load your stock. Manual for the quick fixes, the restock list for the orders you planned, and the invoice upload for the big ones. Choose the right way for the order in front of you and your inventory stays accurate.